Hello, good morning students. We are discussing supply analysis. In the earlier lectures, video lectures, we discussed what is supply, what is the difference between stock and supply. Then we discussed law of supply. Law of supply expresses direct relationship between market price and supply of a commodity. When price rises, supply of commodity also rises. When price falls, supply of commodity also falls. In the last lecture we discussed determinant of market supply. उसमें हमने जाना कि supply is not only function of its own price but supply is also function of other factors. सप्लाई सिर्फ प्राइस पे डिपेंड नहीं रहता, सप्लाई अदर फैक्टर्स पे भी डिपेंड करता है. In this context, today we are going to discuss the difference between extension and contraction of supply and increase and decrease in supply. Okay, इसकी उसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे आज एक्सटेंशन और expansion and contraction of supply and increase and decrease of supply. So what is extension or expansion of supply and contraction? Change in quantity supplied because of change in its own price, it is known as extension or contraction of supply. Okay, अगर सप्लाई ऑफ अ कमोडिटी उसकी प्राइस की वजह से चेंज हो तो उसको क्या कहेंगे? एक्सपांशन और कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ सप्लाई. ओके, व्हेन प्राइस राइजेस सप्लाई राइजेस, दैट इज नोन एज एक्सपांशन ऑफ सप्लाई. व्हेन प्राइस फॉल्स supply of commodity falls, that is known as contraction of supply. Okay, for example, when price is 10 rupees per unit, 150 units are supplied. When price falls from 10 to 8, supply of commodity also falls from 150 to 190, that is known as contraction of supply. When it increases from 10 to 12, supply of commodity increases from 150 units to 170 units, that is known as expansion of supply. How can we explain the same concept with the help of diagram? So we have to draw here supply curve SS. Okay, how to be that? Suppose original price is OP, original quantity supplied is OQ. When price rise, obviously supply also rises, that is known as expansion. So suppose supply of a commodity price rises from OP to OP1, supply of commodity also rises from OQ to OQ1, OQ to OQ1. Suppose equilibrium point shift from A to B. तो A to B क्या है? This is known as expansion of supply or extension of supply. Getting my point? When due to rise in market price, supply of commodity rises, that is known as expansion of supply. In our diagram, equilibrium point shift from A to B is known as expansion of supply or extension of supply. On the other hand, when supply of commodity falls from OP to OP2, price falls from OP to OP2, supply of commodity also falls from OQ to OQ2. So in our diagram, equilibrium point shift from A to C is known as contraction of supply. ये क्या हो जाएगा? Contraction of supply. Can you remember? So what is extension or contraction of supply? When supply of a commodity change due to change in its own price, it is known as expansion or contraction. Price rise, supply rises, expansion of supply. Price falls, supply falls, contraction of supply. Okay, very easy. Now हमने डिटरमिनेंट्स में क्या देखा कि सप्लाई ऑफ कमोडिटी इज नॉट ओनली डिपेंडिंग ऑन इट्स ओन प्राइस बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन changes in technique of production, natural factors, transportation costs, government policy, etc., etc., many other prices of related products, etc. So sometimes it happens, even though there is price remains constant, but supply of commodity change, उसको क्या कहेंगे? increase and decrease in supply. Okay, so what is increase and decrease in? A change in quantity supplied due to other factors except price, known as increase in decrease in supply. Okay, suppose here price remains constant at rupees 10, 10, but supply of commodity rises from 100 units to 120 units. मे बी कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन कम हो गया होगा, गवर्नमेंट ने फेवरेबल पॉलिसी डिक्लेयर की होगी, फेवरेबल वेदर कंडीशन हो गए, एनी अदर रीजन. सो एंड ईयर 10 मगर सप्लाई ऑफ कमोडिटी फॉल्स, सो अनफेवरेबल गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी, रेस्ट्रिक्टिव इम्पोज मोर टैक्स, और कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज हो गया ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट, मेनी अदर फैक्टर्स. सो हियर सप्लाई ऑफ कमोडिटी चेंज due to change in other factors except price. Now how to draw diagrams, बराबर से ध्यान से समझना. वो एक ही डायग्राम में हम लोग भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, मगर अलग अलग मैं समझाऊंगा तो ज्यादा आपको समझ में आएगा. So x axis represents supply of commodity and y axis represents price of the product. Okay, so this is S. Original price is OP and original supply of the commodity OQ. Okay, now price remains constant at OP only, even though supply of commodity rises. तो क्या होगा? Okay, can extension और contraction में हमने जैसे initial supply का पे बताया था, are we able to show the same? Are we able to show here? No. Why? Because here x axis represents supply, y axis represents price. This SS curve expresses relationship between x and y. मगर यहां x में change हुआ है. X changes not because of changes in y but changes in z. Okay, price के कारण नहीं change हुआ. This curve here we can show, we can indicate on the same diagram, same curve, on the same curve. Why? Because here x change due to change in y, मगर यहाँ x y के कारण change नहीं हुआ है, price तो constant है. So we have to draw a new curve which is parallel to old curve. This is S1 curve. Okay, and here even at constant price, so quantity of supply increase from OQ to OQ1. In our diagram, point, this is two equilibrium point A to B. So A to B क्या indicate करेंगे? Increase in supply. Getting my point? So we have to draw new curve parallel to old curve. इसको आप dotted line से भी draw कर सकते हैं, just to differentiate. Dotted line से आप draw करेंगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. ऐसे भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, कोई उसके इश्यू नहीं है. जस्ट द कॉन्सेप्ट शुड बी क्लियर. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? कि व्हेन सप्लाई ऑफ कमोडिटी राइजेस नॉट ड्यू टू राइज इन मार्केट प्राइस बट ड्यू टू अदर फैक्टर्स, इट इज नोन एज इंक्रीज इन सप्लाई. सेम थिंग हियर वी कैन शो. Original price OP, original supply is OQ. Okay, when supply of commodity fall due to other factors except price, natural calamities हो गया. अभी देखो कोविड-19 में कई सारी फैक्ट्री बंद हो गई, कितने प्रोडक्ट का सप्लाई कम हो गया. मार्केट प्राइस की वजह से नहीं है, ड्यू टू अदर फैक्टर्स, नेचुरल फैक्टर्स. तो how can we show in the diagram? Okay, x axis represents quantity supplied, y axis represents price of the product. Here price remains constant but supply of commodity falls due to other factors. So we have to draw a new curve parallel to old curve. यहाँ हमको राइट में दिखाना पड़ेगा, यहाँ लेफ्ट में दिखाना पड़ेगा. Okay, S1. Okay, S1. So supply of commodity falls from OQ to OQN. Okay, this is A point, this is B point. Here also equilibrium point shift from A to B. और हम लोग ऐसा बोल सकते B to A is known as decrease in supply. Okay, so how can we explain the concept increase and decrease in the two diagram? So very simple, easy topic hai. When supply of commodity is changed or quantity supply of a product change due to change in its own price, it is known as extension and contraction of supply. Price rise, supply rises, expansion of supply. Price falls, supply falls, contraction of supply. But when supply of commodity change due to other factors except price, it is known as increase and decrease in supply. Okay, here very important point should be noted that increase and decrease in the supply curve cannot be shown on the same supply curve. You have to draw new supply curve. इंक्रीज के लिए हम आपको राइट में ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा, डिक्रीज के लिए आपको लेफ्ट में ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. Getting my point? So this how we can explain the concept of extension, contraction and increase and decrease in supply. आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.